Hey friends, if you wish to fix potential Windows Update database error detected on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now. It's scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. How would we do that? So we have a script for you. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt, run as administrator, paste the script. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.